wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best reading glasses. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. While the thinoptics stick anywhere probably won't be your go-to selection for everyday use, they're wonderful for affixing to an item you carry all the time, such as your smartphone, so you've got them in the event that you forget or damage your regular pair. They can be carried in a wallet too, and can rest high or low on the bridge of your nose. However, they fall off your face with too much movement. At number 9, the Success Eyewear Folding 2-pack offers two big advantages. First, their styling is unobtrusive, so they don't scream old age. Second, each folds up and fits handily in the provided plastic case, so they're ready to go anywhere you are. The set includes black and gunmetal, and they'll fit in pants pockets, but they're not for those with larger heads. Coming in at number 8 on our list. When you get 5 pairs of specs for under $15, you probably don't expect much in the way of quality. That's why you'll be pleasantly surprised by the Gamma Ray Optics men's set of 4 pairs plus sun readers, which are low cost but actually pretty well made. A spring ensures they don't pinch, and they come with a cleaning cloth. However, the strength ratings are often inaccurate. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for reading glasses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, you can get a pair of Urban Boundaries Classic Spring Hinged in any of a range of tasteful neutral shades, including brown, tan, and black. As a bonus, the sturdy storage case that comes included will match the frame's color. There's a magnetic closure on the case, and these come in a standard half-size style, but the hinges are prone to wearing out. Moving up our list to number 6. Slim, light, and stylish, the newbee fashion tube readers are the compact travel-ready option that will help you avoid scratched lenses and bulky cases. There are plenty of diopters to choose from too, so there's a set for everyone. These are sold singly or in packs of 4, and come in masculine and feminine color choices. However, the nose pads feel quite thin. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you're like most people, you often misplace your reading glasses. That's why a 5-pack of these eyekepper vintage is a great idea. Leave a pair at the office, by your bedside, in the kitchen, and anywhere else you like to read. They sport a timeless frame design, and the set includes sun readers. It's a good value for the number of pairs you get. At number 4, the sleek and subtle Vision World Eyewear Featherweight almost disappear on your face, blending into your overall look with ease. They're an excellent choice for the person who wishes he or she didn't need glasses, since they lack the noticeable bulky rims of many others. These are unisex and good for all ages, and offer UV protection. However, they are on the more expensive side. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Say goodbye to common annoyances with the Gamma Ray Optics ladies, since you'll have no more screws falling out, arms snapping into pieces, or the spring action breaking. And because you'll get 3, you won't have to stress about accidentally losing your only pair. These are fashionably cute and funky, and offered in a range of diopters. They're great for round faces. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for reading glasses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the unique design of the clic adjustable front connect means that they're always available, right there hanging around your neck, so you can quickly and effortlessly pop them into place on the bridge of your nose via their magnetic attachment point. These are one size fits all, and you can choose from several colors. They're ergonomic and lightweight. And coming in at number 1 on our list, there are plenty of reasons to love the truvision reader's black single pack. For one, you can choose from 18 different diopters all the way up to 5, and for another, the company's Duraflex hinges will keep them securely yet comfortably in place. These come with a money-back satisfaction guarantee and a microfiber cloth bag. They feature an elegant modern styling. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for reading glasses, or simply click beneath this video.